scripts. Okay, I'm going off script a little bit here, but this was a huge freaking deal. Did you see this in the news, Luke? There is, here we go. I'm going to pull up the forum. I'm sorry, Graphis.
Oh.
I'm going totally off the script here. Master Disaster posted this on the forum. You got to check this shiz out. A warning to YouTube creators. Scammers have worked out an almost foolproof method of phishing your account. The mind-blowing thing about this is Jim Browning. Jim Browning was one of the victims of this scam. Like, what?
Whoa.
No kidding, right?
Is this the same thing that happened to oh, what's his name? Sorry, I'll find it. Keep going.
Okay, there's a couple people that have gotten hit by it already, but basically, the scammers have worked out a method of sending people emails that are originating from a genuine Google domain that makes them indistinguishable from authentic Google emails. So the scammers, they're bouncing the emails through Google Chat. So when they arrive in your inbox, they look like they are authentic. So they'll get in a chat with you and they convince you that you have to talk to Google support because you have multiple AdSense accounts or something and you have to delete one. And Jim basically did the right thing. Can I just say how cool it is that in spite of the fact that so much of his brand is built around like scams and people getting scammed online, admitting that this happened so that the word gets out and other people will be protected. It's the right thing to do. And Jim is setting an outstanding example, even though, you know, for some people out there who don't recognize what a good guy move this is, he could have just pretended it never happened. For people who don't recognize what a good guy move this is, yeah, maybe there's a hit to his reputation, but from my point of view, his reputation just went up by 5x.
I think it makes a lot of his content even more valid than it already was, because it shows like that we all need to be aware of this stuff.
So back to our message from our sponsor. To be clear, Jim Browning has nothing to do with Graphis or anything like that. It's just this was a news topic that didn't make it into the doc that I was like, oh, wow, phishing. Haha, that's a thing. Anthony just messaged me. Spiffing Brit was also one of the victims. Not a dumb guy at all.
No.
Don't kid yourself. So if these guys can fall for a phishing scam, don't sit there and go, not me. We actually did a video like that this week about how bad is it if you leave the plastic on the bottom of your heatsink? It's one of those things that, you know, it's very tempting to go, not me. I could never be that stupid. But it could happen to anyone. I actually did it about a year ago. All these years of building computers, I had never done it. And then finally I did it. I got like distracted doing something else and I came back and I was mid-build and I was like, and I put it together. I had plastic on the thing. Yeah, Jake saw the PC had bad thermals and was like, you left the plastic on. I was like, really?